What's up guys, Max here, and thanks for downloading Filament Reducer. Now this is a plugin that helps reduce projects, and I'll explain exactly how it works and how to use it. Now, you may just normally ask like, hey Max, After Effects can totally already do that. If we choose our composition we want to keep, go to File, Dependencies, Reduce Project, pops open, After Effects, 27 items that were not used by the selected items have been deleted. You can undo if desired. Warning, items referenced only by expressions are not preserved. A great feature, but as you can see, it deleted a bunch of stuff. Let's undo this. It deleted all these things. Now this is my color master. So another tool we use called Color Master. And this is my color palette. It's the entire project's colors developed here. And I don't want to, delete that because it's just tied through expressions. So what we use is Filament Reducer. Basically, let's refresh it. Our main comp, what we want to keep is your main comp. Only items directly or indirectly tied to this comp will be kept. We're going to keep random shapes. And then developing a plugin that actually ties to expressions only is really difficult. So we kind of did this really interesting workaround that let's call the keep folder. So anything in this folder, it keeps. So really simple, like select a folder whose comp/assets you want to preserve manually, useful for expression link controllers. So this does exactly what After Effects can't do. So it also prompts you, reduce project. You're about to delete 15 unused items from this project panel. Are you sure? And then click yes. As you can see, 15 items were deleted and all of my expression controls are still here. So if I go into my images and I change the color through our color master, let's make it red. I go back to random shape. My PNG with a fill color is turned to red. Our expressions are still intact. So that is Filament Reducer. It's a neat little plugin, nice little learn more buttons we've started to add, and it will help you reduce your project file size without deleting specific things you want. Now I just had it set to, keep folder, which is nice. If you think there's a better way to do this, or we could add additional keep folder drop downs, I'm totally down for that. Otherwise, just let me know. This is a pretty cool little plugin we developed, and you can find it on filament.io. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. And if you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out filament.io. QR code is on the screen. Plenty of digital tools and awesome assets for all you creators. Check it out today.